Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix a Snapchat device ban. So guys, if you want to log in your Snapchat account in your mobile phone, Android or iPhone, then facing this type of issue, your account is temporarily locked and your device is banned. So you can't use this account in this device. So guys, how can you fix it? So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back, and after doing this, you need to click on settings. So scroll it down, click on screen time, and here is the option of content and privacy restrictions. Click here and make sure that it is off. So if it is on, then you need to off it, and after doing off, you need to go back, and still in settings you need to click on general, click on iPhone storage, and after this you need to click on Snapchat and click on offload app and click on offload, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store. And the third method is you need to open your app store, and here you need to search Snapchat. Click on Snapchat and click on Snapchat and update your Snapchat app. So maybe this is a bug in your older version, so you after updating your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use your account smoothly in this device. So guys, after doing this, the other method is you need to uninstall your Snapchat app. Click on here and click on remove app and click on delete, and after deleting you need to reinstall again in your iPhone or iPad. And after doing this, you need to forget your password in Snapchat app, and after forget your password they will send OTP in your Gmail address or phone number, and after putting that OTP in your Snapchat account, you can easily use this account in your device. So after this, if not still fixed, then you need to contact with Snapchat support. So you need to click on any internet browser, and here you need to search Snapchat support, and after contacting them you need to tell them your problem and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.